Take your time, how long you lose your life.
Yeah.
She are we on a million of them, me still have corn for all the chicken.
And you hear what the bumbuckler man just say? Man say a tray of weed. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. And guess what? Trinidad. Them for know us our Trinidad. People, we're here with another Toppy boss video for you guys. You understand me? You guys have been requesting this song for the longest time, yo. You didn't hear me say, so now we're gonna have a bad reaction right now. A party we'll keep with that song. I don't know what to expect already. I don't know what chop already. Toppy boss, make up myself. I like when you comment on all my reaction. Then I understand people run go at Toppy boss video. I still have to watch my video. After to watch the reaction again. The link to the original song down below in the description though. Go on over there, go watch the video again. Make that video reach 1 million views because they run 400k right now. You did me? I said, run go over there, go make it reach 1 million. 1 million. You did me? Trinidad! Alright, say bumbuckle let's. Wait, comments them done? I think them done right about. No. Alright, run tune! Disclaimer, no fake weapons was used during this video.
N3monia.
Me Ras, what me I do? What go on? I forgot start. Oh, no, I start it over. Go on. You got me laughing with your talking, bro. Keep it up. You see? You see that now? Not that when I chat too much. You see that now? Run through no. What is it, Ina? What is this? What is that dressing called, sir? Tell me what you have on there, sir. You not get no pum pum in them clothes, eh? No girl not get no punash, no pum pum. But run go on a tune, no man.
Don't ever destiny.
Okay.
Take your time.
All right.
Fully man, come take your life.
When you hear that, take your time. Don't ever deny. Bumbuckle me can sing. I can sing clearly now. Your girl panty wet. Bumbuckle. Boom, 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 boom. Go on. Run tune.
Take your time. How long you lose your life.
Yeah.
She are we on 1 million of them. Me still have corn for all the chicken.
And you hear what the bumbuckler man just say? Man say a tray of weed, you know. And it's 1 million of bumbuckle them, you know. So a 3 man take on 1 million man in a one lyrical clash, you know. Because I now push no war, you know, dog. Lyrical clash, you know, dog. Get them here, I say. 3 man bumbuckle me run my cage. Come on, you say Toppy boss. Go on.
She are we on 1 million of them.
Yeah.
Me still have corn for all the chicken. Kill them all, that a beautiful thing, bullet.
Hold on. 3 away. Million of them. But guess what the man say him do? Guess what the man just say him do, people? The man say him still have bumbuckle belt can't feel the whole of chicken them. Bumbuckle belt. What them know about that? Them man gonna suck your egg. Rachon.
AK and Bunskin. DJ Co sing sweet like R. Kelly. Shot middle up your body non-stop.
Bumbuckle shoot. You know when Jacob, hold on, you know when R. Kelly is singing, every girl panty wet up, you know. That's clad. And that's how the Jacob swing sweet, you know. I watch I go to wiggle up wet. Wow, what is the Toppy boss?
And 5 in a belly. Right now me badness up top. 45 with the damn clutch back.
What?
Them drinking Johnny White and
45 with the damn clutch back. Right now the man badness up top. People, let's say about. You know, more to the comment section already, you know. You know how we ask already, you know. Be a bumbuckle bell for emoji in the comment section, no dog. And say if you enjoy the reaction right now and you want help the reaction boss, you know what I mean? Just like the video. Make the video get recommend to whole heap of people. Make the whole world see this bumbuckle bells. Run tune.
black jump out that they can activate on that 5.56 pushing down flat.
Yeah.
You don't like drive by, me love to back chat.
Alright, at least one of the man them come and talk about them don't like drive by. Because yo dog, watch us style. Most of the Trinidad son them react to dog. I be a drive by them man I talk to. Go back in the reaction man and see. I think every Trinidad reaction I say this in another dog. I be a drive by them man them talk about dog. Like yo. It must have specials in a drive by. But go on with the tune.
I'll mother in a that door, try running at the church, link up shack, running at the tabernacle, pastor left.
Don't try running at the church. Hold on. Let me get what bro guy just said to people. Go on with it now.
Mother inna that touch, I run inna the church, link up shack, run inna the tabernacle, pastor live.
So the same thing. Bumbleclean, dog. Take your time. Don't everybody is denying. Yeah, man, I said the man run tune.
Oh God, them know you're evil.
That fake. Yeah, man, that fake, man. Yeah, man. Alright, so them know we are evil. Yeah, that we are talking about. Look at them, man. Them man have some real bumbuck belt evil. You want to know about that? Want to know about the man about the weed? Want to know about the man on the snap back? Want to know about the one that fitted? Want to know about the white shirt? Want to know about the one shot back? Want to know about the man there? Run through, leave it.
Rock City man now stick, put bullet in a head.
That fake. That fake. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That fake. Rocksteady man now sleep, though. I put bullet in her head. Go on with the Rocksteady man, them. Evil head.
Cockroach man run out with the Celtic and boss head.
Masha man, I mean that, you know? Where him there? I mean that, you know? Yeah, man. Pull up me here, I mean that, man. Ah, blood clean. Yo. Right, John. No, man, go back in the song. Go back in the song. Go on.
Them sell me hell one, then I want me back. And heaven tell me them are the wings, so me back. And my best friend now is a...
Them say the man got hell. And them say, hold on.
Life, yeah. Them sell me hell one, then I want me back. And heaven tell me them are the wings, so me back. And my best friend now is a big black max. Still talk to the...
Clot. Who the blank there? Hold on there. Boom. Bars. Lyrics. I want to hear about. You see me sweat? Reaction bars at work. I still know reaction bars at work. Run tune.
Demons feud up in battle. Drink your blood with ice in a that bully fire gunshot. AK on the back. 6 of them.
When you hear a bro just bump back myself, you must say I drink your blood with ice in a that. Cool blood. Bumba clot. Run tune.
Them 6 fall down flat. Link up Cassie and call up Devon. Tell them step with the tallest weapon.
Bumba clot. Listen to that. Link up Steffi and call up Devon. Tell them step with the tallest weapon. And guess what the man was stepping at? One Tida. One Nissan Tida. You see Tida in the background, watch it.
187 G57, hold it with me to 1. Magic never miss when you clap the Mac 11. Bullet bust.
Wait, so what I know what? Magic never miss when me clap in Mac 11. What? That me hear me no one. Go on.
7 G57, hold it with me to 1. Magic never miss when you clap the Mac 11. Bullet bust.
The man that never bumbuckle belt. Me say people, want to know about that? Your people was recommend that song, your dog. When me react to the whole I tell people I sang them already. What am I react to after? I don't know what I tell people I sang them. Yeah, me take a little time and chat them once a week and think I can have a good vibes, dog. You didn't. But guess what? I go on once. I'm telling you, anything you want to comment down this in the comment section, I gotta do them. I'm telling you, But the best place to go up and I know I'm gonna post a video before I tap people Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. They can go over this right now and go follow me on Instagram. People know I'm gonna post a video tomorrow and I post it. Remember me tell you that. But run that tune, man.
To your heart, dislocate left hand. Me badness on another level in a depend. Me step on your base with a big fucking weapon.
Hold on. Chucky War, please react. I got you. The more Chucky. Next week, though. Bumbuckle belt, dude. I'm going to Chucky last week. I'm going to Chucky. The time of this record, you just post a while ago. You understand me? I try to say? So next week, we're going to get the next Chucky, don't? Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, go on, though.
Base with a big fucking weapon.
Yeah.
The AR, the 17 Glock in my left hand.
Yeah.
The heaven, I hell him. Pick one, this one, this all.
Yo, the man just lyrical, dog. Me I go to my opinion now. The man bad. The man versatile. The man lyrical. I lie me I tell people. I know if I lie me I tell. I can't lie me I tell because the views not there for shows to the man thing up. You me I say wipe on the man thing, but you don't say the man lyrical. You see me I say the man a do him thing in the music, dog. You see me I say you not give the man the respect what him do, not that. You call it say, yo, go on with the tune, bro, God.
Baddest, the king in the palace, shot bite up your cabbage. Alright, God damn it. Them
no evil head. So the man and I go sing. Toppy bars. Mess with his General X. What is? N3monia, evil head. It's a feature that on the song, we don't know. Because Toppy alone say I sing so far for like 2 minutes without the song, so we don't know if I expect it. We don't know if the next feature they print or what. Go on, evil head.
Rock City man, nasty, good bullet in a head. Them know
yeah, I made a mistake. I thinking I call Rock City Rasta City. Remember, say I'm not from Trinidad, so I'm not sure. I don't know what the thing them name or what go on exactly. You understand me? But I'll acknowledge right now because I don't know. So me I major after the reaction and people are DM up on the gram and I know what go on. They me, but make a mistake that I go say Rasta. Well, yeah, no chap. You know chap. 9.
Don't never destiny.
9. What them catch a fire? Hold on, let me see what them catch a fire. Let me see what. I like see them go scene, you know. And the expect it is a gun. Or just like drive up on the road. Who like I just see that you just step on the road, you understand? Take your time. Don't ever this the die that bad. I like a verse, like a chorus, and I say go on.
Don't never destiny.
Yeah, there.
Take your time. A fully man come take your life. Take your time.
So who them man people? Them 2 man.
Take your time. A fully man.
Them 2 yeah. Tell me who them man. I know so know everybody that video them in the dog. I not like that yo. Trinidad like so know everybody dog. So I know them 2 person yeah. Or a two random somebody power them. If I 2 artists I know. They may say but I know so know them dog. But go back to that tune.
Time make the K line.
Take your time.
What hungry. Bang to the one done. Easy well.
Peter done that. John was I said, what going? Yeah, me some viewers and subscribers. Thanks for checking out the boys' reaction. It's been an honor and a pleasure to entertain you. I hope you was entertained by my reaction. Guys, if you were, please like the video. Share the video at least with one of your friends and go and follow me on Instagram. If you know the latest scoop, what the reaction boys are deal with it. Me I say, copy merch me if you don't want them. Run through the pan merch as I say, I soon get my own for sure and say it thing actually shot and legit and look good. Me I say, big up on yourself again. I'm out.